Bonjour, travel lovers! Welcome to the enchanting city of Paris, where every corner tells a story and every street is a piece of art. Ready to discover the magic of Paris in just 3 minutes? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of the top 5 must-do activities in the City of Lights. Let's dive into the top 5 must-do activities in the City of Lights. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Paris has something for everyone. First up, the iconic Eiffel Tower. This Iron Lady is not just a symbol of Paris, but a testament to human ingenuity and architectural brilliance. Did you know it's the most visited paid monument in the world? Millions flock here every year to witness its grandeur. Snap that perfect selfie, or better yet, take the lift to the top for a breathtaking view of Paris. The cityscape from up there is simply mesmerizing. Trust me, it's worth every second. The panoramic views will leave you speechless and give you a new appreciation for the beauty of Paris. Next, let's wander through the Louvre. This world-renowned museum is a treasure trove of art and history. Home to over 35,000 works of art, including the mysterious Mona Lisa. Her enigmatic smile has captivated millions. You could spend days here, but even a few hours will leave you in awe. From ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces, the Louvre has it all. Pro tip: go early to beat the crowds. The tranquility of the early morning hours allows you to truly appreciate the art without the hustle and bustle. No trip to Paris is complete without a stroll down the Champs-Élysées. This famous avenue is the epitome of Parisian elegance. This glamorous avenue is lined with shops, theatres, and cafes. Whether you're shopping for high fashion or just window shopping, it's an experience in itself. And at the end, the majestic Arc de Triomphe. This monumental arch honors those who fought and died for France. Climb to the top for another stunning view of the city. The sight of Paris from this vantage point is unforgettable. Feeling hungry? Head to a local bistro for some authentic French cuisine. Paris is a food lover's paradise, and the bistros here are the heart and soul of its culinary scene. Think crispy baguettes, creamy cheeses, and delectable pastries. Each bite is a taste of French tradition and craftsmanship. Your taste buds will thank you. From savory dishes to sweet treats, the flavors of Paris are sure to delight. Last but not least, visit the charming neighborhood of Montmartre. This area is a haven for artists and dreamers. With its cobbled streets and artistic vibes, it's a bohemian paradise. The spirit of creativity is palpable here. Don't miss the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica and its panoramic view of Paris. The basilica's white domes are a striking contrast to the blue sky. And there you have it, the best of Paris in 3 minutes. But remember, this is just a glimpse of what the city has to offer. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, these experiences are sure to make your trip unforgettable. Paris is a city that never ceases to amaze. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to fall in love with Paris. Every moment here is a memory in the making. From its historic landmarks to its vibrant culture, Paris is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Au revoir and happy travels. May your journey be filled with joy and wonder.